Hey everyone, if you're ready to start using Cloud AI but don't have an account yet, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the complete account creation process step by step. Yeah, it's a quick setup, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to explore Cloud AI's features. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Cloud AI website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up, Create Account, or Get Started option. It's usually located near the top right corner of the page. Next, fill in the registration form with your information. Depending on the platform, you'll typically enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Some versions may also let you continue using your Google, Microsoft, or another supported account, which can make the process even faster. After submitting the form, Cloud AI may send a verification email. Open your inbox and look for the verification message. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, simply click the verification link to activate your account. Once your email has been verified, return to the Cloud AI website and sign in using your email and password or the sign-in method you selected during registration. This should take you directly to your new dashboard. After logging in for the first time, you may be asked to complete your profile or choose your preferences. Some Cloud AI platforms also ask you to select a workspace, create your first project, or accept the terms before continuing. Go ahead and finish these steps to complete your setup, and that's it. You've successfully created your Cloud AI account, and you're ready to start exploring its tools and features. So, take a few minutes to look around the dashboard and try your first AI project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials.